Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about MCQs for civil engineering. 1. In case of Raymond pile A, lengths vary from 6 to 12 mb. Diameter of top of piles varies from 40 to 60 cm c. Diameter of pile at bottom varies from 20 to 28 cm d. Thickness of outer shell depends upon pile diameter e. All the above. 2. Queen closer may be placed a. In header course b. Instretcher course c. In header course next to first brick d. Instretcher course next to first brick e. In any position. 4. The foundation in which a cantilever beam is provided to join two footings is known as a. Strip footing b. Strap footing c. Combined footing d. Raft footing e. None of these. 3. Dado is usually provided in a. Dining halls b. Bathrooms c. Living rooms d. Veranda e. Roofs. 5. The foundations are placed below the ground level, to increase a. Strength b. Workability c. Stability of structure d. None of these e. All the above. 6. Stud s. Of a common wooden partition a. Are vertical wooden members b. Is the upper horizontal wooden member c. Is the lower horizontal wooden member d. Are the intermediate horizontal wooden members. 7. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Inclined borings are made for taking samples under existing structures b. Inclined borings are occasionally used instead of vertical c. holes. D. The spacing of inclined borings is kept such that one borehole is vertically above the bottom of an adjacent borehole e. All the above. 8. Pick up the commonly adopted geophysical method in civil engineering from the following. A. The seismic method b. Electrical resistivity method c. Gravitational method d. Magnetic method e. Both a. and b. of the above. 9. Tier engereth supporting area of an offset footing of a boundary wall is fully compressive, the c.g. of load must act a. at the center of the base b. within the middle third of the base c. within the middle fifth of the base d. Neither a. b. nor c. 10. The 9 cm x 9 cm side of a brick as seen in the wall face is generally known as a. Stretcher b. Face c. Front d. Header. The taper of precast concrete piles should not be more than a. 1 cm per meter length b. 2 cm per meter length c. 4 cm per meter length d. 5 cm per meter length. The undersurface of an arch is called a. soffit B, intradus C, haunch D, back. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer walls of the structure by A. 5 to 10 cm, B. 15 to 20 cm, C. 25 to 35 cm, D. 30 to 45 cm, E. 60 cm. 14. The process of making the background rough, before plastering, is A. Dubbing, B. Hacking, C. Blistering, D. Peeling. Black cotton soil is unsuitable for foundations because its A. Bearing capacity is low, B. Permeability is uncertain, C. Particles are cohesive, D. Property to undergo a volumetric change due to variation of moisture content. 16. The loose pockets in soil mass can be bridged safely by providing a raft foundation provided the soft area is smaller than A. the column spacing, B. 1/3 the column spacing, C. half the column spacing, D. 3/4 the column spacing, E. none of these. The portion of a brick cut across the width is called A. closer, B. half brick, C. bed, D. bat. The concrete slump recommended for beam sand slabs is A. 25 to 50 mm, B. 25 to 75 mm, C. 30 to 125 mm, D. 50 to 100 mm. A. Purlin, B. Cleat, C. Batten, D. Strut. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Louvered door is generally provided in bathrooms, B. Flush door is generally provided in dining room, C. Revolving door generally provided in cinemato, or D. Sliding door is generally provided in showrooms. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is grillage foundation. A. is used to transfer heavy structural loads from steel columns to a soil having low bearing capacity. A. light and economical. B. does not require deep cutting as the required base area with required pressure intensity is obtained at a shallow depth is constructed by rolled steel joists, R.S.J, placed in single or double or C, all the above. The exterior angle between outer faces of the wall is known as A. turn, B. junction, C. coin, D. all the above. B. 1/8 the span, C. 1/10 the span, D. 1/12 of the span. While designing a stair, the product of rise and going is approximately kept equal to A. 350, B. 420, C. 450, D. 500. In jack arch floor, the rise is kept A. 1/6 of the span. Answers are highlighted with green color. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.